Answer A. A good shower of rain for his crop. Question 2. Why was Lencho satisfied? On seeing a new tractor in his field. On seeing a new buffalo. On seeing the field of ripe corn with flowers. D. None of the above. Answer. Answer C. On seeing the field of ripe corn with flowers. Question 3. Why did Lencho need money? To buy a tractor. To save his family from hunger. C. To buy a new phone. D. To buy a buffalo. Answer. Answer B. To save his family from hunger. Question 4. What did the postmaster do then? He decided to collect the money and send it to Lencho. He threw away the letter. He decided to beat Lencho to teach him a lesson. He gave it to other postmaster. Answer. Answer A. He decided to collect the money and send it to Lencho. Question 5.
Who read the letter sent by Lencho? His wife, the postmaster, one of the farmer, the guard. Answer B. The postmaster. Now question 6. Who is the author of the lesson A Letter to God? G.L. Francis, J.K. Bowling, William Shakespeare, Roald Dahl. J.K. Francis. Answer A. A is the correct answer.
Question 7. What is the irony in this lesson? Lencho was sad after the hailstone, even though he was the one waiting for a shovel. Postmaster laughed at Lencho, but still helped arrange money for him. Lencho blamed the post office employees, who in fact helped him. There is no irony. Answer. Answer C. Lencho blamed the post office employees, who in fact helped him. Question 8. What did Lencho think of the post office employees? A. Bunch of crooks. B. Rude. C. Unhelpful. D. Proud. Answer. Answer A. Bunch of crooks. Question 9. Why was Lencho not surprised on seeing the money in the envelope? He was too sad to acknowledge it. He had unwavering faith in God. He was an ungrateful man. None of the above. Answer. Answer B. He had unwavering faith in God. Question 10. How much money was the postmaster able to arrange? 100 pesos. Nil. 1000 pesos. 70 pesos. Answer. Answer D. 70 pesos. Question 11. Why did the postmaster decide to reply to Lencho's letter? He was a good man. He felt empathetic. To preserve Lencho's faith in God. All of the above. Answer C. To preserve Lencho's faith in God. Question 12. Rude. Helpful.
The postmaster was a fat, amiable man. What is the meaning of amiable? Rude, helpful, friendly, enthusiastic. The answer C. Friendly.
Friendly. Enthusiastic. Answer. Answer C. Friendly. Question 13. How much much money did Lencho ask for? 100 pesos. 1000 pesos. 10 pesos. 500 pesos. Answer. Answer A. 100 pesos. Question 14. What was the only hope left in the hearts of Lencho's family? Compensation from government. Help from Farmers Association. Help from God. There was no hope left. Answer. Answer A C. Help from God. Question 15. The field looked as if it were covered in salt. Locusts. Sugar. D. Ice. Answer. Answer A. Salt. Question 16. Which crop was growing on Lencho's fields? Corn. Barley. Rice. None of the above. Answer. Answer A. Corn. MCQ questions for Class 10 English First Flight Chapter to Nelson Mandela Long Walk 2.
We will continue this video in the next video. We'll take this lesson second in the next video. Keep watching, keep enjoying, and keep learning. Do take a moment to subscribe, share, and like so that you can continue getting the updates. Thanks for watching. Have a nice and cheerful morning.